Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com, it's Dyno Day, and we got a pretty neat car on the dyno today. This is a black 1995 Mustang GTS that's kind of come and gone over the past several years. Car's back, and it's kind of in a state of unknown, I guess you could say. We're gonna let y'all down in the comments tell us what you think could possibly be done to this car as far as engine, be it a 302 base stroker. Whenever we jump over to the results, y'all let us know in the comments below. But to our knowledge and what we can see and what we know just from literature in the car, we don't know displacement of engine. It has a Trickflow Stage 2 camshaft, Anderson power pipe, 75mm throttle body, and that is a Cobra upper-lower intake manifold. And the power steering is deleted. This is a T5 transmission, so it pulls to be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Aluminum drive shaft, and we think it has 373 gears. It's a 17-inch Cobra R wheel with a, I never can remember the tire size. We'll flash it up on screen. 93 Octane Fuel, and this has a Holley Terminator X system on it. There is a nitrous bottle in the tank, but as of now, it's all show and no go. The lines ran to the engine, but nothing's hooked up, so we're not even gonna worry about that. But figured we'd say it because, you know, it kind of gets everybody a little, whew, you know, nitrous. It has Trickflow 190 11R cylinder heads. Just reference that off of the cylinder head itself and the part number. One other area that we tried to reference for the sake of the engine was the harmonic balancer. We couldn't really make out what was going on. We think it may be a 28-ounce imbalance harmonic balancer, but again, that is all assumption. So I think I've covered everything of kind of the mystery modded 95 GTS. We'll make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go. Straps tight, lug nuts are torqued. We're gonna let it rip. All right, everybody, so real quick, being that this car is pretty unique, relatively unknown in some of the modifications, especially the engine displacement, let us know what else you want to see from the car. Should we make another hit with the nitrous hooked up? Should we switch something out, put some power steering back on it? Who knows? Let us know down in the comments below. Back to the video. All right, let's take a look at some results. Car felt right. It's radical. Which I'm gonna touch base on here momentarily. Results for the car, run 1, 311.4 horsepower at 5,200 RPM, and then 342.7 pound-feet of torque at 4,300 RPM. Now that could be our giveaway of maybe a 331 based engine, just because of the torque. Let's pull up the second run. It made 312.3 horsepower at 5,300 RPM and 344.3 pound-feet of torque at 4,300 RPM. It's a nice, pretty curve. Air-fuel ratio on the Holley Terminator X screen was about 12.5 to 1. Again, we don't know exactly the specs of the engine. I would think you could probably bump that air-fuel ratio, lean it out just a touch, get a little bit more power, but this is what we have. So with that, y'all let us know in the comments what you think it may be. Now I know you're probably gonna say my 302 with this, that, and the other may yada, yada, yada. Okay, that's great. Every car is a little bit different. Judging by the torque, we think this may be stroker 302. It's radical. It sounds cool. You smell like gas. But it's terrible to drive. So sometimes it's not always about how fast something is, how much torque it makes, but more or less, you know, is it comfortable and nice to drive? And that all goes back to, you know, personal opinion and subjectiveness. But I know myself and a few others around the building, sometimes we just like a more mild-mannered car to get down the road in a little bit more leisurely fashion, I guess you could say. But not taking anything away from the car, it moves out, especially on these 2013 Jayco tires. I mean, it skates all over the place with those things. And, you know, the butt dyno tells you like, oh man, this thing makes a lot of power. But made some decent power considering what we know. So again, y'all comment below what you think. If you find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and then till we see you in the next one for all things SN95 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.